Here we go. We got a customary units problem, and we have to convert 20 gallons to pints. Honestly, these are kind of some of the hardest problems for me. Even though I'm like a million years old, I have a hard time remembering how many cups are in a pint, and how many pints are in a quart, and how many quarts are in a gallon. So I usually need to look things like this up, which I kind of did, and that's okay. You should look up rather than guess. So I know that there are 2 pints equals 1 quart, and there are 4 quarts in a gallon. So what I do is I multiply 4 times 2 to get 8. So there are 8 pints, and I'll just write up there, in 1 gallon. So my simple equation then is 20 times 8. What does that equal? It equals 160, and my label is pints. And again, in explaining this, if you don't know, look it up. So if you don't know how many quarts are in a gallon, look that up. If you don't know how many ounces are in a pound, look that up. If you don't know how many pounds are in a ton, look that up. If you don't know how many inches are in a yard, look that up. If you do that, you can't go wrong with these customary units.